exactly is AI and what does it look like?
A few days ago, a young man asked me an honest question. He said, "What does an AI actually look like?" He wondered if it was a physical machine, a robot walking around, or some glowing blue brain in a laboratory. If you've ever wondered that, or if you hear the words artificial intelligence on the news every single day and still think, "I have no idea what that actually means," for my everyday life, you are in the right place. Let me show you what AI really looks like. Ready? Come with me.
Yes, I was really asked, what does AI look like and what is it? So here's the long answer. What exactly is AI? That's a very good question. And if you're a little confused about it too, don't worry, you're not alone. We hear the words artificial intelligence or simply AI everywhere these days. We see robots, we see computers doing amazing things. We hear about ChatGPT, we hear about self-driving cars, smartphones, smart cameras, and machines that can talk to us. And it's very easy to put all of these things into one big box and call them AI. But they're not all the same thing. So let's start from the very beginning. First, what does artificial intelligence mean? Let's take the two words separately. Artificial simply means something made by humans. And intelligence is the ability to understand things, recognize things, learn, solve problems, make decisions, or use information. So artificial intelligence means intelligence created by humans and built into computer technology. In other words, we're creating technology that can perform certain tasks that we normally associate with human intelligence. That's the basic idea. Nothing mysterious, nothing magical. But what does AI actually do? Let's think about things you and I do every day. You can look at a photograph and recognize that you're looking at a dog. You can listen to someone speaking and understand what they're saying. You can read a sentence and understand its meaning. You can look at a map and figure out how to get somewhere. You can recognize someone's voice. These are things that require different kinds of human intelligence. AI is technology designed to perform some of these kinds of tasks. For example, a computer can be taught to recognize a dog in a photograph. Another AI system can listen to someone's voice and turn it into written words. Another can translate one language into another. Another can look at information and make a prediction. So when we say AI, we're talking about computer technology that can do things like these. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. You may have heard of it by now, right? But what is it? ChatGPT and AI are not the same thing. ChatGPT is a computer program that uses artificial intelligence. AI is the technology. ChatGPT is one of the things built using that technology. That's the connection. You can type a question into ChatGPT and it can respond to you in a way that resembles a conversation with another person. That's possible because the AI behind it has been trained to work with language. So when someone says, "I'm using ChatGPT," they're using a service that is powered by AI. And ChatGPT is only one example. There are tons of others. Now, where do robots fit into all of this? Are robots AI? This is where people often get confused. A robot and AI are not the same thing. A robot is a physical machine. It has a physical body. It may have arms, wheels, hands, cameras, sensors. It can physically move around and interact with the world. But a robot doesn't automatically have AI. A robot can function with human instructions in a computer software. AI is a technology software that can advance a robot to see, hear, detect, and take action. Let me show you an example of what I mean. Take a look at this regular robot. It is walking down the hallway, but there's a closed door in front of it. The robot cannot deal with the closed door, so it stops and does not know how to proceed or what to do. So, in this example, the regular robot can walk, but it cannot figure out what to do about the closed door. Maybe because it was not instructed in the software what to do if a door is closed. Now let's look at an AI-assisted robot. The same robot, but with the AI software in it. Look, it reaches the same closed door. This time, the robot can recognize what is in front of it and respond. It opens the door and continues walking. Here's another example. This is another regular robot. The robot was given instructions to go to the main lobby. But on its way to the lobby, it encounters the stairs. Since instructions were not given to it about stairs, it stops and does not know how to process something not included in its instructions. So the robot once again stops and does not know what to do. Now let's look at an AI-assisted robot. The same robot, but with the AI software in it. Look, it reaches the same stairs as the regular robot did, but this time the robot recognizes the stairs and knows what to do about it. The robot takes a different route to get to the main lobby as instructed. Other than robots, what other things have AI in them? Your smartphone has an AI inside, mostly for recognition and other things. Your watch may have AI in it. Automobiles may also have AI in it. Houses also may have AI in them. Even hearing aids have AI also in them. I can stay here all day and name all the things that have AI in them, but we need to move on. So, once again, what does AI really look like? AI doesn't have a particular shape or appearance because it is a type of computer technology, but I personally refer to it as the techno-brain to enhance things' capabilities. Is there a way to interact with AI? Absolutely. You can interact with AI through something like ChatGPT. When you interact with AI through ChatGPT, it's like having a conversation with AI. Ask it questions, suggestions, advice, and thousands of other things, and is all free. If you want to hear more about how to interact with AI through ChatGPT, let me know in the comments and I will create a totally different video dedicated to this subject. That's it for today's AI explanation. I know there's a lot more to explain about AI, but I don't want to overwhelm you in just one video. Go ahead and watch this video as much as it takes to help you understand about AI. And if you ever feel confused in the future, come back to this video and watch it again and again. I hope this video helps someone out there understand what AI is and what it does a little better. Thanks for watching. And if you appreciate content like this, let us know by supporting our channel. Here's how to support our channel. 1. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the button below this video and hit the notification bell. 2. Share this video. 3. Like this video. 4. Let me know where you're watching from. 5. Save this video to watch it as much as you need to. We appreciate every single one of you. See you on the next video. God bless.
Absolutely amazing.